Hi Darkroom friends, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this quick video, I want to show you a brand new option that was added to Booth 2024. I know you're thinking, Eugene, it's 2025. Well, this will be the last public release of 2024 as we rebrand for 2025 and add some pretty awesome new features. So stay tuned for that. One thing that's important to remember is that if you purchase a software or you update, your maintenance plan covers a year of updates. So when we release 2025, you'll be good to install that and updates for the next year. So that's important to remember. Let's jump into my computer and see this new option. Okay, so this is pretty simple, but it's really helpful to help stay organized. What we've added is the option to now organize, instead of by alphabetically, you can organize by month. So if we click on this and we click on January 1st, 2025, we then have our new events that were created within the last 2 weeks. Or we can click back and see the sample events under 2014 or when we added the Mirror Booth event in 2018. So this is a good way to help stay organized and kind of hide old events if you don't need them but you still want to keep them. So that's the option to organize or sort by date or by month, and you can always switch back to the default view of sort alphabetically. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.